Hey guys, Matt with CJ Off-Road here. Now today we're outside and Bestop has dropped off their 4-door JK Wrangler for us to check out a brand new exclusive product that they have coming out, their new Core Doors. Now these are a half door that's completely interchangeable to use exactly how you need it. For a long time, if you've searched online, you can find Mopar half doors, but they are extremely expensive, and if you don't buy them color match, you're gonna have to paint them, and they only have one use, and that's a half door. And with the Bestop Core Doors, they're a complete aluminum construction with a durable textured black finish that are available as a full half door, a complete trail door, or a upper on top of there to make sure that it's completely sealed up and you won't have any rain inside your Jeep. Now today we're going to go through, check these out. They are available with twill uppers as well as the interchangeable insides for the 2-door and the 4-door Wrangler. Let's check them out. Now, as you can see here, the front door is completely buttoned up with their twill upper as well as this center section in, so it's going to be completely watertight. Another cool feature is that it does accept the factory JK mirrors, which bolt right up onto there, and you're not going to lose any visibility with these half doors. Okay, let's open them up. Now on the inside, you can see this panel right here is actually the removable piece, and to do that, all you've got to do is simply twist each one of these around. It's got a nice rubber gasket and it'll release there. On the inside, you've got the Bestop logo as well as the twill upper and the intersection here so you can rest your arm right in there. Then up front is actually this pretty neat, just looks like a nylon style wrap here that you just pull on that and it'll release the door. Overall, these doors are pretty neat, and I'll go check out the rear doors, which we actually have in the trail mode right now. Now in the rear section, you can see that we've got this center section completely removed. You can stick your hand right through it. It's a lot of open portion there to let air and really get that outdoor experience when you're out on the trail. Open this one up, complete view right from the inside here, nice and simple. So if you got factory half doors and you're looking for more versatility, these will accept your factory uppers as well as the Bestop twill uppers. Now if you want to check these out, be sure to go on cjponyparts.com. They are available for pre-order now, so if you want to be the first JK in your town to have them, order them now, and I'll see you guys out on the trail.